Hi, it's Kathy with a quick video showing you some alternate ways you can get into Panopto. All of these do assume that you've already gone into Canvas, entered each one of your courses, and clicked on the Panopto Recordings button at least once. By clicking on that button, it ensures that you have folders set up in Panopto for those courses and that your account has been set up. So I'm going to talk about 3 ways you can get into Panopto. The first way you're probably already using. You start in Canvas, enter a course, click on Panopto Recordings. That still works fine. Another way you might consider, though, is to forget Canvas and just go directly to the Panopto website. The address is over here on the slide. It is spscc.hosted.panopto.com. Once there, it may automatically log you in if you're already in Canvas. Sometimes it will do that. But if not, you do need to log in using your Canvas credentials. So make sure in the upper right you choose Canvas and click on the Sign In button. Once you're logged in, you will see this, which looks just like what you saw inside of Canvas, but on a much bigger screen. A third way to get in is forget Canvas again. And if you just want to make a recording, just go ahead and start the recording software directly. On a PC, you go to Start, All Programs, the Panopto folder, and then the Panopto recorder. Again, if it does not automatically log you in, you will need to log in using your Canvas credentials. So the login screen looks like this, and at the top there's a large button that says Login with Canvas. Click that, you'll be taken to our login screen, and it will start the recorder for you and look like this. Now, of these 3, what are the differences? Well, the first one, where you start in Canvas, of course you have access to all of the settings in Panopto, all of your recordings. You can make recordings, but it's kind of a small area to work inside of Canvas, but you are in Canvas too, so that can be a benefit. And it does use a web browser while you're working. The second one, where you start at the Panopto website, certainly uses a website too, but you're not in Canvas, but you also have a bigger work area. The third one, where you just start the recording software directly, if that's all you do, of course you can jump right in and start recording immediately, but you're not in Canvas. You can't see all your recordings and all the settings, but it also doesn't use a browser. Now, in the recording software, there is a link to manage your recordings, and that does start up the Panopto website. So which one do I use? Usually number 2. I like the big screen with all my recordings in it if I need to change the name of a recording or get a link to something, and I can access the recorder right there too. If I'm worried about my computer not having enough oomph to do all of this, I might try number 3, where I'm only using the recording software if that's what I need. So think about your workflow and experiment and see which one of these works best for you.